Hello friends! Today we have a delightful tale about a clever little worm named Wendy. Wendy is always looking for new adventures and creative ways to make her surroundings cozy and fun. One sunny afternoon, while exploring an orchard, she discovers the biggest, juiciest green apple she's ever seen. "This apple is perfect for a new home," Wendy exclaims with excitement. With determination and her tiny tools, Wendy starts working on her apple house. She carefully nibbles an entrance and hollows out a cozy living space inside the apple. As she works, she enjoys the sweet and tangy taste of the apple, making her job even more delightful. Wendy decides to add a window to let in the sunlight. She carves out a round opening and frames it with twigs and leaves. Next, she finds a small acorn and transforms it into a charming lamppost to place outside her new home, ensuring she has light even after the sun sets. Inside, Wendy decorates her apple house with soft grass for a comfy floor and flower petals for a cozy bed. She even sets up a little reading corner where she can enjoy her favorite stories. As the day comes to an end, Wendy lights her acorn lamp and admires her beautiful new apple house. She feels proud and happy in her snug, sweet-smelling home. Wendy's apple house becomes the talk of the orchard, and all her friends come by to admire her handiwork. Join Wendy in this heartwarming adventure and see how, with a bit of creativity and a lot of heart, she turns an ordinary apple into an extraordinary home. Follow along with the drawing tutorial to bring Wendy and her apple house to life on paper and enjoy this enchanting story as you draw. Thanks for listening and happy drawing!